The next thing that comes out of your fundraising strategy is project development. You can then identify needs, and then once you've identified the need, then you need to set up a project around it, well, to answer, to be a solution to that need. So I'm going to quickly go over the key stages in project development. So the first one is needs analysis, problem definition, developing the process, key management, implementation, monitoring and evaluation. Using that example again, I'm going to quickly go over it so that everyone understands the needs analysis. So for that needs analysis, we wanted to find out what the tobacco control issues were in the borough. We used data from central government, we used data from that local authority, from their corporate performance team, we used data from the local voluntary groups, and we also got some qualitative case studies as well to help us inform what the need was. We found out, once we found we were able to isolate the group that had the issue, that's now moving on to problem definition, we were able to identify why they kept on smoking. And that's when we came up with the that's how we came to the conclusion that young people kept on smoking because they didn't have access to the Stop Smoking Service. Then we moved on to the next point, developing the process, and that's where we decided how we were going to get to deal with the problem, and that was getting the Stop Smoking Service advisors into the schools. And then we got to the implementation stage where we rolled that out to the schools, and now we're at the monitoring and evaluation stage, that's the last stage, where you measure how effective that intervention was. So that's something that any project would have to go through.